Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I have something much different than what I normally do. I've got this. This is this little pasta cup from tasty.ly, Tastily. It's from Singapore. It's Carbonara. And they sent me this hat and this with it because it's another brand line that they do called K's Instant Pasta. 3 minutes is all you need. So let's see, how do we cook this? Get rid of the lid, empty seasoning. Pull up the line. Well, mix. Okay. So you remove the lid. I'm sure you're not surprised by that. Okay, let's look here. We've got a big sachet of powder. Here are the noodles. They look like rotini. And included spoon. Cool. So you take this. Boy, I'm gonna have to come up with something interesting to yammer about. Let's see. Dump it in. Now where's the line? Be low on this one, isn't it? Yeah, it's right there. Alright. Alright, and then mix well. I'll use the included spoon. Well, I'd say that's pretty mixed. Alright. I'll put it over here. And I'm going to set a timer. 5 minutes. So, man. All I ever talk about is walking now, so I got to come up with something non-walking for 5 minutes. Okay. So, as many of you know, that my mom died this Tuesday, so it's been 2 weeks. So weird. So weird. But I don't know, like my sister called me this morning. She's older than me. She's in charge of how everything is carried out according to my mom's wishes, which, you know, that's what my mom wanted. I told her right off the bat, it's like, all I care about is what mom wants. If mom wanted something done this way and it's something, that doesn't benefit me all that much, because, all that happens after somebody dies is disbursement of stuff usually. It's like, I don't care. If that's what mom wanted, that's fine. I'm not like that. So, but, oh yeah, there's just like so much that you never even think about. It's like, she had to go and spend all this time at the courthouse yesterday to figure out how to do this and that, and she's like, it's just so complicated that it's just like, I just got an attorney to do it. And it's like, yeah. I wouldn't know when to start. As far as like legal junk goes, if I need something notarized, I'll go to the UPS store and pay the buck for that or whatever. I know that a credit union will do it for free. But yeah, if I'm gonna, that's about as far as I'll go. If it's gonna be like way more legalese, which luckily I've never really had to run into. But if I did, I think I'd have to like bite the bullet and just like get some kind of, you know, legal person. And so there's that. There's just the whole. It's like I got some. I really, really like graham crackers, peanut butter, and jelly. That's like, yeah. And I've been getting this jelly, this Oregon Growers Pinot strawberry jelly. It's like they put a little bit of Pinot Noir wine in it. And it's not like you can almost kind of taste it if you really think about it hard enough. You can kind of detect it. It gives it a slight little bite of acidity, which works incredibly well. So I was at the store this morning getting bananas because everybody likes bananas. And they had a new one, a cherry Zinfandel. I was thinking like, okay. Oh man, my mom would have loved that. My mom, boy, when all of a sudden they'd have cherries, she'd get the Rainier cherries and eat those things like there was no tomorrow. Just ridiculous. She just like eat a whole bag of them in an afternoon. Yeah. We're still trying to figure out how about we're gonna go do we want to do a. There are 3 pillows, children. Oh, Miles took Mimi's pillow and making a lot of noise. Mimi, take it back from him. Win! Win! She's probably sitting on his head, or vice versa. But, hey, we're almost done. Quiet! Shush! Shush! Oh, he's just laughing now. Yeah, it's like 12:35. And what happens is like all of a sudden it'll get quiet. They'll be chill for a couple hours. And then all of a sudden it'll just like erupt and they'll start running. Mimi, Miles, figure it out. That's called parenting, yo. I hope it works. It's mine, and I'll allow you guys to use it, provided that you are kind to each other. So here we are. After 5 minutes. Oh my, somebody needs a nap. No? Doesn't Miles need a nap? This is much soupier than I expected. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like on the front. It does not show soup on the front. But I mean, it's like a lot. I mean, and this is strong too. If I like made it with less water, it'd be like way too salty. That's pretty darn good. It tastes like carbonara. Yeah, I like that. I really didn't know what to expect. I'm gonna go with the dark one. It's like right now I'm doing ones with like minimal garnish. Because when I do 3, I've got to like crank it out. Plus I'm doing this hardcore psycho challenge of walking. I love you, buddy. I love you, Mimi. I think a little bit of a little bit of shichimi and a pinch of fried onion, I think, would go well in this. Just a pinch. Come on. These pinches are too big. Here we go. And just a little dash of black pepper. Let's see how this looks. Yeah. Get you all up and personal and close with it. Alright. Time for Rotato to work its wonderful magic. Here we go. Huh, that's kind of dark. I don't know. Got a little happier. All right, very good. Thank you to the folks over at Tasty.ly of Singapore for shooting this over. I've got a couple more of their things that I'll be reviewing pretty soon, and yeah, good stuff. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.